Hey guys, it's Jessica here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY fire pit in my backyard, and I am going to be making a bench to go along with it. So if you would like to see me build stuff and put stuff together, well, be sure to keep watching.
So I bought a pallet of 12-inch retaining wall blocks from Home Depot. They were $2.48 a block. I bought 90 of them, but I ended up only using 56 blocks, so it just cost me $138 to complete the fire pit. We had been using this area as a burn pile already, but I had been wanting to make a proper fire pit for a while now. I started off by preparing the ground by leveling it around the ring. And then I started laying the blocks and I stacked them 4 blocks high. I really love the look of the finished fire pit, and it definitely upgrades the space. Moving on to my next project, I'm going to be making a little outdoor bench to go by the fire pit. So I have a stash of lumber that I have gotten for free. Some of it was left behind by the previous renters, and some of which I got from my brother who runs a sawmill. I didn't have any plans for this bench, so I'm just going to make it up as I go. So first off, I cut 4 boards for the legs of the bench from a 2x4 board. Then, using a pine board, I cut it into 3-foot lengths. And I will use this for the seat of the bench. And then I ran the pine boards through my table saw and stripped them down into smaller pieces. I also cut 4 other small boards for the bracing. Then I gave everything a light sanding with my sander. Then I got to work putting it all together, and I started by attaching the legs to one another. I used long screws to attach the legs onto the bracing board and then screwed it into the second leg. I did this for all 4 of the legs, and then I attached a center brace for added support. Now it's time to attach them, and I used a small thin board to attach the legs longwise together. I did that for both sides, and then I began laying out the pine board pieces, and then I spaced them out. I think it was about an inch apart. And then I screwed all of the boards into place. Because some of the wood is still a little green and it's not fully dried, I decided not to stain or seal this until it has had some time to dry out. I'll probably stain it a dark walnut color, and then I'll seal it using an oil-based outdoor sealer. I really like how the bench turned out, and I'm quite pleased with it. Even though I didn't have any plans, I was totally just winging it, and I think I did pretty good on it. Also, I love this fire pit, and I know that it will get tons of use during the summer.
Well guys, that's all I've got for today's video. If you are not already a subscriber to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye!